Basics of troubleshooting. Running late for work, you jump in your car, turn the key, nothing. Don't let it happen to you. Learning a few basic skills can save you time and money. In that example right there, you have to call a tow truck, you gotta go to the service station, and a lot of times all you need is a jump start or a new battery. What is troubleshooting? According to Rouse, troubleshooting is a systematic approach to problem solving that is used to find and correct issues with complex machines, electronics, computers, and software systems. Troubleshooting. According to Sullivan, you need three things to be able to troubleshoot: how to operate the thing, what the thing does, and how the thing does it. This is true for the most part, but a few things can be done without knowing all three of those. Some basic troubleshooting techniques. The very first thing we're always going to do is a visual inspection. What we're looking for is loose wires, disconnected wires, leaky pipes, things of those nature so that we can reconnect them. Some common loose wires on computers are going to be power cables, video cables, and your mouse and keyboard. This is according to Bird, Pearson, and Size. The next thing we're going to check is your power source. Make sure batteries are installed correctly and that they're connected. So, in my professional experience as a repair and maintainer, this makes up almost half of the trouble tickets that I'd receive in. Batteries being installed correctly, wires being plugged into the wrong spot. Read your manual. It'll save you a lot of time and money. So, we're going to go over a couple of examples of things now. So based off of the first example that we saw at the beginning of this, you turn your key, nothing happens. Well, if you turn your key, the engine turns over but it doesn't start, then you're out of fuel. Or you have some other fuel problem. First thing I check, make sure you got fuel in the tank. Now if you jump in the car, turn the key, nothing, or you just get clicks, you got a dead battery. So you either need a new battery, a new alternator, or both. But knowing those things, again, can save you a lot of time and hassle at a service station. Now we're going to look at a laptop that just won't charge. So, if it works fine while it's plugged in, but it turns off as soon as you unplug it, your battery's gone bad. You need to replace your battery. If the battery seems to not charge, no matter how long you leave it on, your power cable's bad. It's as simple as that in most cases. It's just about figuring out what's wrong, isolating the problem. Some of these things may seem obvious, but they have to be checked. Additionally, the older your electronics are, the more likely they are to just have problems. They age like anything else due to impurities in the metals in the circuits. The more heat and electricity that passes through them, the more they break down. So, are there any questions? Nope. Well then, these are some simple things that can help you save a lot of time and money.